Detox weight loss, recipes. Refresh your body with these healthy meals. Welcome to a healthier, revitalized you. Are you ready to detox your body, boost your metabolism, and shed those extra pounds? In today's video, we'll uncover easy and delicious detox recipes, from crunchy salads to refreshing smoothies that your body will thank you for. Let's get started. Detoxing isn't just a buzzword, it's a reset for your body. It flushes out toxins, enhances digestion, and provides a natural energy boost. By prioritizing clean eating, you create a foundation for weight loss while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. When paired with a balanced lifestyle, these detox recipes can help you feel lighter and healthier. Ready to leave sluggishness behind? Let's dive into the incredible benefits of detox-friendly ingredients. Say hello to your new favorite salad. In a large bowl, combine kale, spinach, cucumber, and avocado for a powerhouse of greens. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds for a crunchy texture, and top with a lemon tahini dressing for a tangy finish. Why this works? Kale and spinach are packed with fiber and vitamins for digestion, while avocado offers healthy fats to keep you full. This detox salad is not only delicious, but perfect for keeping cravings in check. Give your metabolism a wake-up call with this revitalizing juice recipe. Blend celery, green apple, ginger, and a handful of parsley to create a nutrient-packed drink. Add a splash of lime juice for a burst of flavor and natural detox properties. Here's the secret: ginger and lime spark metabolism, while celery and parsley are excellent for hydration and detoxifying the liver. This juice makes a perfect mid-morning or post-workout pick-me-up. Who says detoxing can't taste like dessert? Blend mixed berries, unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. For a protein boost, add a scoop of plant-based protein powder. What's the magic here? The antioxidants in berries combat inflammation, spinach provides essential vitamins, and chia seeds aid digestion. This smoothie is an energy-packed, guilt-free treat for any time of day. Pair these delicious recipes with plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and assist your body in flushing out toxins. Cut back on processed foods and added sugars during your detox for optimal benefits. Don't forget to listen to your body. Detoxing isn't about starving, but about nourishing yourself with clean, wholesome ingredients. A balance of nutrients and mindful eating is the key to success. A healthy lifestyle starts with small, consistent changes. By incorporating detox-friendly meals into your diet, you'll feel energized, clearer-headed, and ready to tackle any challenge. Start today with one of these recipes and embrace the joy of eating clean, delicious food. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more health-focused content. Let's step into a healthier future, one meal at a time. Your journey begins here. Time to refresh and thrive.